eFavormart.com, your one-stop shop for wedding, party and event supplies. This is Lisa. She loves to decorate and accentuate her space and events. Therefore, she is always looking for affordable, reliable, and viable decoration supplies. More she browsed, more she gets confused. She doesn't know which website to trust, and where she can find the best offers. There is a solution to Lisa's problem. eFavormart.com, the most trusted name in the field of party supplies and wedding decorations. Here Lisa finds the best and the cheapest offers at a single glance. Latest trending items at lowest prices and best quality are just a click away. And that's not all. Free and fast delivery makes all the difference. Lisa is amazed. Thanks to eFavormart.com, the never-ending internet search for the latest and cheapest decoration supplies is over. She can get home decor items, wedding supplies, party decorations, birthday supplies, and linens in safest and easiest way. Lisa is happy now, are you? Visit now and find the decorations of your dreams. eFavormart.com, coloring your life and events.